How to use the mask feature in CapCut PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth masking and blending effects step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open CapCut on your PC and import your clips into a new project. Now, drag your main video onto the timeline. If you want to use a mask, place another clip or image above it as an overlay. Select the top clip and go to the mask option in the right side panel. Here you'll see different mask shapes like rectangle, circle, or linear. Choose one depending on the effect you want. Now adjust the size, position, and feather to blend it smoothly with the background. You can also invert the mask if you want to hide or reveal different parts of the video. Preview your clip to check how the mask effect looks in motion. And that's it. That's how you can use the mask feature in CapCut PC to create professional-looking video effects.